Hello everyone! Long time no see! Super Hiro's Kitchen! Welcome! So today, just I'm making the spicy tofu! Deep fried tofu with my special spicy sauce. So this is a secret sauce, Super Hiro's. Dun-dun. Yes, just deep fry. And after deep fry, just put the sauce on top, and then green onion and the sesame. Yeah, this is a special sauce that you can get my shop. Maybe I will sell it on my website. Yeah, that's why I want to introduce it for the public. Okay, so today ingredients is a potato starch, and I mix it for the rice powder. Rice powder makes more crispy. So mostly like the chicken karaage, those one to make the crispy is added the rice powder. Or some people using for the corn starch. Yeah, my using for the potato starch and then mix the rice powder. So aspect ratio is 3 and 1. 3 times potato starch and then rice powder 1. If you like more crispy, then half and half, like 1 and 1. Okay, so just very simple. So tofu, this is a farm tofu cut in the half. No, 1/3 half cut. Okay. Then half cut triangle, and another half and a half, 8-piece cut. And these are still the water, so you can use it for the paper napkin or paper towel to cut off the water. Yeah, so we put 5 piece and 5 piece. In the meantime, I'm already warmed up for the oil. So oil degrees for about 160, 170. But even like 180 the higher. Yeah, if you burn for outside and then outside more burn for the oil, it'll make more crispy. But I'm starting at 160 to 170 start, and then going up to the 180 to take it out. Okay, these are cut of water. Then just put in everything. Yeah. Yes, that's softer. Okay, these are already good enough, and a little bit higher texture. Yeah, maybe next time I'm using for my home kitchen, because everybody cooking at home. This is a commercial kitchen for the professional. Yeah, just a little like a still low heat, right? If like good enough for the temperature more higher, it's like more sounds, is more big tone, and then like a bubble is very now it's stable. Is a higher temperature one is like a more bubble, is more active. Yes. Just a tofu is I cut in a small piece cut, so you don't takes long time putting the oil because it's small, and the outside coating powder makes it crispy. It's ready to out and ready to go out eat. So okay. Yeah, then heat it just now for higher amount. And then meantime, when you cooking time, like less of the powder is taken away. Otherwise, this powder to stay hold in the pot, is oil getting bad. So same time, you cooking and you cleaning. Yeah, too much powder is too much sweet. Yeah, oil is important. Too much scam and rice and color. You can see to the oil for the now is a new oil. It's very see-through. And then when you can use a lot time, the color is brown, like a charcoal black is too bad. And then all the oil is stinky, and also even heated up the fire is not enough for the warming up the oil, getting the worst. And also, of course, not good for your health. Yeah. So 3 times or 4 times you can use it. And then extending time. Yeah, you can see the sound bubble. This is the water is out, and sometimes the food takes long time here. All the tofu go out. Okay, this is nice. And crispy. Up. And that. Tofu decorated. Any style is fine. You can use a round dish. Yeah, it's okay. This today I'm using a rectangle dish from Japan. Yeah, and this is like a go straight. And then my special spicy sauce is a secret sauce. Yeah, you can use it at your home and just put in my sauce. Yes, it's very spicy. And onion, scallion, and a sesame. If you want us more spicy, we have like a Japanese shichimi, Japanese 7 spice powder. Put on the top. Right? Simple. Yeah. So just using for this sauce, and then sesame and scallion. These are very good. Okay. Okay. For you, everyone, open the mouth. Okay, let's cooking for your home. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.